Do you wake up tired, even after what seemed like a full night's sleep? Are you relying on caffeine just to feel normal during the day? Maybe you feel foggy, moody, or anxious, and can't seem to focus like you used to. What if I told you that just one night of poor sleep can trigger hormonal chaos, impair your brain's performance, and even make you more vulnerable to chronic diseases? In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into something we often neglect: sleep. Specifically, what happens when you don't get enough of it, and how to fix it naturally, without pills or expensive gadgets. Let's talk about why sleep deprivation is quietly destroying your health, and what you can start doing tonight to take it back. Why sleep isn't optional, it's foundational. We often treat sleep as a luxury, something we catch up on after work, social plans, or binge watching a new show. But sleep isn't optional. It's a biological necessity, just like food and water. Every night, while you're asleep, your body runs a repair protocol. Your brain clears out toxins that accumulate during the day, kind of like a mental rinse cycle. Your muscles and tissues rebuild, especially during deep sleep. And your hormones balance out, including cortisol, your stress hormone, insulin, testosterone, growth hormone, and even hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. When you cut your sleep short, even by just 1 or 2 hours, you interrupt this essential system. Long-term, this can lead to a weakened immune system, increased inflammation and insulin resistance, disrupted metabolism, higher risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even early cognitive decline. There's a reason the World Health Organization classifies shift work as a possible carcinogen, because of how deeply chronic sleep loss affects every cell in your body. What's really causing your sleep problems? Let's talk about why so many of us are sleep deprived in the first place. Yes, stress plays a major role, but often, the causes run deeper than we realize. Here are 3 hidden sleep disruptors most people overlook. 1. Blue light at night. The screens we love, phones, laptops, TVs, all emit blue light. This light mimics sunlight and tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, which suppresses melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Even just 30 minutes of screen time before bed can delay melatonin production by hours. 2. Caffeine too late in the day. That afternoon coffee might feel like a harmless pick-me-up. But caffeine has a half-life of about 5 to 6 hours, meaning half of it is still in your system well into the evening. Even if you fall asleep, caffeine can reduce deep sleep stages, leaving you feeling unrested. 3. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Your brain runs on a 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm. If you sleep at 10 p.m. on weekdays but 2 a.m. on weekends, you're giving yourself social jet lag, without even boarding a plane. Consistency is the key. Your body loves rhythm and routine. When you disrupt that, it gets confused. How sleep deprivation affects your mind and body. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It regulates everything. Here's what happens when you consistently don't get enough. A weight gain and cravings. Sleep deprivation increases ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and decreases leptin, your satiety hormone. This combo makes you crave sugar, carbs, and processed foods, and it becomes harder to resist them. Brain fog and memory issues. During sleep, especially REM sleep, your brain consolidates memories, solves problems, and clears waste. Without it, your focus, creativity, and memory all take a hit. Mood disorders. Ever notice how irritable you feel after a bad night's sleep? Long-term sleep loss is strongly linked to depression, anxiety, and emotional instability. Hormonal chaos. Testosterone drops. Cortisol rises. Insulin sensitivity tanks. It's a perfect storm for fatigue, low libido, brain fog, and poor metabolic health. Even your skin ages faster when you're sleep deprived because of impaired collagen production and increased oxidative stress. How to fix your sleep naturally. So what can you actually do to fix your sleep without turning to medication? Let's break down some practical, research-backed strategies to sleep better, starting tonight. 1. Regulate your sleep window. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your circadian clock thrives on consistency, and regular sleep-wake times help it reset and function properly. 2. Block blue light after sunset. Turn off screens 1 to 2 hours before bed, or at least wear blue light blocking glasses or enable screen filters like Night Shift or F.Lux. Even better, dim the lights around your home after 8 p.m. to mimic sunset and encourage melatonin release. 3. Magnesium for deeper sleep. Magnesium calms the nervous system and helps regulate melatonin. Foods like spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, or supplements like magnesium glycinate can support deeper, more restful sleep. 4. No caffeine after 2 p.m. If you're sensitive to caffeine, set a cutoff time. 2 p.m. is a good rule of thumb. Swap in herbal teas, decaf coffee, or water for your later drinks. 5. Create a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be dark, cool, and quiet. Aim for 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Use blackout curtains. Keep electronics out of the bedroom. Consider white noise if you're in a noisy area. 6. Sunlight in the morning. Get 10 to 15 minutes of natural light exposure within an hour of waking up. This resets your circadian rhythm, boosts mood, and helps your body naturally release melatonin later in the day. 7. Use wind-down rituals. Ease your body into rest with calming habits. Stretching or gentle yoga. Journaling or reading a book. Herbal teas like chamomile, passion flower, or valerian root. Deep breathing or meditation. Here's the bottom line. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's your foundation. When you improve your sleep, you improve everything. Your energy, your focus, your mood, your metabolism, and even your relationships. So if you've been pushing sleep to the side, now is the time to prioritize it. Even just one new habit, like cutting caffeine earlier, dimming your lights, or sticking to a sleep schedule, can change how you feel within days. So everyone, now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest sleep challenge right now? Is it falling asleep? Staying asleep? Or just making time for rest? Drop a comment below. I read every one, and I'd love to know what's working, or not, for you. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs better sleep, and make sure to subscribe for more weekly health content. Until next time, sleep well, stay healthy, and take care of yourself.